Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded. It's been 2 weeks. Anyways, I am not going to explain why I have been MIA in this video, because you know, in this video we're doing some other stuff. So in this video I'm gonna be doing my mom's hair. I'm giving her a whole makeover, but this is what we're working with right now. I look rough. She wants to go natural, so this is how her hair currently looks like. She has a lot of new growth, and yes, she does have some grays. You know, only means she's wise. But yeah, so this is what we're working with right now. As you guys can see, there's a lot of new growth right here, and then also since she was relaxed, it damaged some parts of her hair because, you know, relaxer does that. So we're going to be cutting her hair this length pretty much in the back, and then I'm gonna try and see if I can presume some length in the front right here, because she has a lot of hair in the front, so we're gonna style it somehow. So but yeah, that's what we're working with. And then also here in the middle, her hair is cutting as well due to the perm and chemicals that she has done in the past, such as hair dyes and stuff. But you know, she doesn't want to show her grays, even though I'm telling her she should. But yeah, we bought some box dye right here. This one right here, I didn't pick the darkest black, but this is like a soft black because her natural hair is kind of like a brownish black, so we don't want to, you know, make her look too fake. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix the box dye and then you know, put it in there. But first I'm gonna start cutting her hair, and then we'll move on from there. So you ready to say bye bye to your hair, Mom? Mm-hmm. You are? Alright guys, so I put the hair dye. This is how it's looking like. Kabu nama. to turn around. And the other side. And the front.